United 727 Boise Tower, only 10 left, clear for takeoff.
0 left, clear for takeoff, United 727.
United 727, contact departure, okay.
Departure, United 727. Great day. Departure, United 727, wind speed passing 3,916,000.
United 727, big clear departure, radar contact, leaving 7,000, turn left direct feather.
So leaving 7,000, direct feather, United 727.
727, light turbulence below 10,000, moderate turbulence from 10,000 through 13,000, just light precipitation along the route.
United 727 copies, moderate 10 to 13.